Hey sis, show me how to do them fishtail braids you did on your daughter.
All right, let's
Let's
go,
go,
sis.
sis.
So first you're gonna make 2 jumbo braids on each side as an anchor.
Okay, show me how to do the fishtails now.
Just like with the stitch braids, you're gonna part it in the middle, but instead of slicking the stitches, you're gonna braid the stitches into the braid.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So what kind of hair you use for the top?
These are natural pre-loop real box braids I got on sale for $1.99.
Okay, so how I crochet the top in?
Before I put the hair in on the ponytails, I had took one of the braids and I kind of intertwined it with one of the little stitch braids, and I laid it flat in between, and then I took it and took some braids and kind of like locked it in with a plait.
Why you did that?
This was my little way of adding a little bit of color at the top to make it seem like, the braids is coming from the ponytails, is coming from the stitches as well. All right, so after I braid that down a little bit, I had twisted. So instead of braiding it, I just kind of flat twisted over, well, not on top of the braid, but kind of like on the side of the blue braid, and then kind of took a rubber band and then locked it in place.
Okay, show me how to put the top in. You taking too long. Oh, now what this is?
So instead of crocheting each individual braid in at the top of the ponytail, what I did was I just took the hair straight out the pack, already in the rubber band, wrap that thing on around there, and bing, there you go.
Girl, what the hell?
Now all you gotta do is take the second one that came in that pack, and you're gonna wrap it around the first one that you already had done put in.
Girl, you stay doing something bootleg, ain't it? You need to do what them people tell you to do.
After you do the other side like that, put some mousse in it, and come back if you need my help.